What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I've got a couple things to do. First thing is I've got a BMX bike back here. You guys can see me, but I've got a BMX bike back here. This is gonna be one of the things I'm doing today. I got a BMX right here. I'm gonna be fixing her up today. So this, along with there's another thing. Another thing. I've kind of reorganized my bike shop, so now all the bike stuff is back behind me. I hope you're not blind, but all the bike stuff is back behind me. So go ahead and get on with it. So as you can see, all the tires and bike frames used to be over here. Now everything is over here, nice and neatly organized. So we've got tires here, inner tubes here, and rims all the way up to here. Then I've got my Huffy here. As you can see, my Diamondback's down here. It's up, and the front I was riding around. We've got this frame, that frame, that frame, and that frame. We're going to be doing some frame fixing in the future, if you know what I mean. We're going to be taking some, let me get that word. We're going to be taking some of these old frames and fixing them up because they need it. Alright, first thing we're going to do with this BMX is we're going to take the tires off. This is also, if you watched the video, last video, this is the bike I was going to sell. I forgot I loosened this up. Okay. I'm just going to set the handlebars over there. So, I'm actually planning on changing the handlebars to a different... I'm going to be changing the handlebars to a different pair of handlebars, actually. That's... I need to put the handlebars in so I can actually use... I'm struggling. Guys, I don't want to pre-apologize for not uploading it all last week. I had a pretty busy week. I was looking for a new bike. Yeah, I just had a really busy week last week. So, we're going to get back into the swing of things, if that's what you want to call it. So, we're gonna, sorry for the background noises. My friend is over here playing some video games with my brother. Okay. Yeah, the next video is gonna be me reorganizing all of my parts and stuff. Oh, here's the thing. So as you know, my new bike has Presta valves on it, but I don't have a pump that I can use that has the Presta valve stuff. So I got some valve adapters yesterday. All right, first things first. Get these wheels off. Oh, I forgot that I had taken a nut. I don't know why, but I took a nut off of this. I'll put one back on. But we're not even using this wheel. So, here's how to take a tire off. Now, this is for pretty much any bike, except I have not fiddled with Presta valve stuff. So I'm going to fiddle with all of that. But, if you don't have a tire lever, let all the air out of your tire. All of the air, as much of the air as you can get out. And you can just kind of wrench it around. I like to push the valve. Oh. And this. Anyways, you can also use a screwdriver, anything. Just try not to, So you want to take a pump or something to press on. Alright, I'll bring you guys over here. So basically you bend it until you hear all the air coming out. And I'm just going to show you guys on this one tire to make things simpler. I've made myself a bike stand, but I'm actually going to buy one soon. Because I need one. Was literally wow, I let out a lot of air. Alright. We're gonna use this one. If you've got something that you can screw onto it, once you hear air coming out, wow, this one's a lot harder than the other ones I did. I don't know if it's because alright, once you've got all the air out, you should be able to easily squish it. Basically, you'll know you have all the air out whenever it stops making noise. But to be safe, you can take some sort of like pin. Basically, the more air you can get out, the easier that your life is going to be. So basically, you want your tire to be wiggly. I'm going to... Alright. So, you want to push the valve. You want to push the inner tube valve out until it doesn't poke out. So if you see it's not poking out. Then, wrestle your tire off. And you'll get the inner tube and the tire out in the process. If you need, use some sort of, if you don't have a tire lever, which I don't have a tire lever, but a tire lever wouldn't even help with this type of rim, as you can see. So, that's how to take a tire off. Now I'm going to pause the camera so you guys don't, guys. So, you got the inner tube, right? You got the inner tube out, but you want to put it on a different rim. So you see this rim right here? I'm gonna clean the rim. Here's the front wheel. Oops. Here's the front wheel. Here's the back wheel. I gotta clean these, but I'll be fine for now. So you take your tire, right? Take the tire you want. Put the inner tube in the tire first. Okay? Remember, the inner tube goes in the tire first. Now, you could put the inner tube on the wheel first, but I find that's harder. So, you also want to make sure that your valve stem makes it inside the valve stem hole. So, you see this? This is the valve stem hole. So, right, you stick that valve stem inside that, right? Then you just kind of proceed to put the wheel put the tire on the rim. There will be some parts that it gets hard, and once it starts to get hard, just kind of apply pressure. Wow. Alright. So there, it's on. Now get your compressor or hand pump, whichever you have, and blow them up. So I'm going to pause that. I'm going to pause it. Alright guys, so we're back. So I've got the tires inflated. Don't fall down. I've got the tires inflated and I've got the front wheel on. Sorry for it always likes to zoom in. So we're going to tighten this down. We'll have to do that this weekend. Sorry guys for talking, but my brother and friend Davis are having a conversation and I had to interject. So it's kind of an important conversation. Alright, wheel 1 on the BMX. You guys might be seeing some BMX videos. I'm gonna make a hopper ramp soon. Like at this point, I'm not gonna be able to do any like mountain biking videos until I get the crank arm for my bike. So if you guys seen the last video, if you haven't, then go check it out after this one. So basically, I have a new bike, and it's the left crank arm is broken, and I need to buy a new one. So that'll also be. Oh. That me replacing the crank arm. No spending V-Bucks on my account. Okay. Sorry guys, my friend Davis and Jedi, I think, made a bet in a video game. So anyways, we're gonna get, alright, there we go. Move this over here. Alright, so I'm just gonna lightly tighten these. Alright, they're lightly tightened. Now, I've never done, like, extreme BMX or anything. I wouldn't consider myself a guy that likes BMX, but Oh, this looks so sick. Alright, so we've got the BMX half done. So, as you can see, these handlebars, I don't exactly like them. So, and I have a red BMX. I need to fix its frame though. It's got some problems with the frame. Alright, so these handlebars, clash. These handlebars, though, es muy buen. Unless then we're going to need to change the pedals, but... Alright. That didn't sound very good. Okay, I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Davis, can I give you a live tip? That's funny. Alrighty. Yeah?
Where are you?
Filming a YouTube video.
What?
Filming a YouTube video.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. You can tell me in a minute.
You can just like edit this part out.
No, that's fine. It's the video's already been. I've already said that the videos. It's fine.
Just restart if you want. I don't care.
No, it's fine. I can't restart really,
Okay.
because then that means I have to take everything off the bike. And I'm not that popular. I only got 5 subscribers. Yeah. All right. Alright, dang it. Alright, well, I've got to untighten this. Sorry, guys. I'm just showing all of this so you guys can see. Oh, gosh. Like 5 kills, I think.
What, Josh?
I think I've counted and it was like 5 kills. Are you guys? What are you guys doing?
We're doing a V-Buck challenge.
Oh, so you guys are gambling.
Wait, what?
You guys are gambling.
No. We're doing
You're gambling.
Okay.
You're betting.
Good idea.
Dude, Jedi, you're gonna get broke. That song's gonna be the death of me. Okay, another red handlebars kind of clash. Hey, can you guys use the headphones, please? It's causing a lot of background noise. Thank you. Okay, and that's a sign that it's tight. Dude, this bike feels good. Bam, 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 bam. Alright guys, this is not gonna be where I'm ending the video, but I'm gonna take some pedals off of another bike. I'll be back in a sec. Guys, the bike is done, but for now I'm gonna be signing out. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye.